All right, so I'm going to show you how to use a graphing tool for this assignment here. So um, as you can see right here in this activity, you're going to write and solve a system of linear equations given two tables of data. You will then analyze the solution to draw a conclusion. So it says, while building a catapult, Aiden tested several different designs. He varied the arm length of his catapult and recorded the horizontal distance between where the ball was launched and where it landed for each arm length. The table represents Aiden's data showing the length of the catapult arm in the relation to the horizontal distance the catapult launched the tennis ball. So basically, just how long the arm was and how far it shot out that tennis ball, right? So here you have the data right here is the length of the catapult arm in centimeters, and here is how far that ball went when they launched it in centimeters. And so it says use a graphing tool to determine the line of best fit for Aiden's data. So what you do here is you come over and you just click that where it says graphing tool, and then you highlight all of this right here. And then if you don't have a mouse, you can do Control C to copy it. And if you do have a mouse, just right click and copy it. And then here where it says data, you click that, click on this first little box. And then if you have a mouse, you can just right click and paste it. But if you don't have the mouse, you can just do Control V, like in Victor. Control V, and then that will put this here, right? And so what are we looking at here? We're looking at linear equations. So then you go to the relationship here, and you just click linear, right? And there it shows, and you want the, what are we looking for right here? The line of best fit, right? So you're looking for the line of best fit, so you would just click right here, and then this will give you the line of best fit, and you will see it down here. Y equals 2.3 times X plus 160.7, right? That is your line of best fit. And then the correlation coefficient, if they ask you for that, that's right here, right? So 0.9477. And so that is going to be the answer. Like for the first one, is you just put that into your graph, and that will give you the answer. All right, and then after you do that with Aiden's catapult, you'll do that with Natalie's catapult. And then later, what you're going to do is just use the substitution method. So when you're solving for it, you're basically just going to put what you got for Aiden's line of best fit equals Natalie's line of best fit, and then you just solve that across, right? So that's how you will do all of this task one assignment.